Hi, this is Edwin and this is NDANGOH'S Diary. It's a rainy day out here in Thailand. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 websites that you can use to add life to your virtual classes. Before now, online education has been around, but it was hardly noticeable by learners. But with the outbreak of COVID-19, people all over the world have slowly embraced online education. However, there is a little problem to this phenomenon because most online classes are often characterized by endless lectures, which might make learning boring. As an educator, as a teacher, what then should you do to add fun and life to your online classes? Stay tuned to find out more. I call on you to hit the subscribe button, like the video and share with friends and family. Welcome back. If you are just tuning in, this is NDANGOH'S Diary and the topic of the day is 5 websites that you can use to add life to your online classes. The very first website that I'd like to share with you guys is actually elslcafe.com. Those of you that use the internet most often, I bet you must have come across this website. It offers free resources to learners. These resources include game, online lesson, and worksheet that you can use to incorporate into your lesson. And with games, it can actually add life to a topic that you are teaching because learners get the opportunity to play games online with their friends. And when it's done live, it's quite fun. The second website that I'd like to share with you is abcy.com. Yeah, the name might sound funny, but this website is equally free and it provides a lot of teaching resources that teachers can use to spark their online classroom. There are equally games, worksheets, online exercises that you can use to teach during your online classes. It's equally free. And the lessons there are divided into different grades. You have from grade 1 right up to grade 6. It doesn't matter the level you're teaching, it's up to you, the teacher, to select what level that suits your student. The third website I'd like to share is agendaweb.com. Yeah, I use this myself. It's equally good and it cuts across all age grade. You can use agendaweb.com to incorporate lessons in your online classroom. Like if you're teaching a topic, you might decide that your warm-up should be a game. Visit this website, agendaweb.com, and select games there that relates to your topic and let your students play live. When they play these games live, it adds fun to the classroom because they are excited not only to play a game, but they are excited with the whole learning process. By the way, if you like videos on Zoom teaching or Zoom application, there are lots and lots of videos that I've made on different topics. Check the link below in the description section and check the channel to gain access to more videos. Once again, this is NDANGOH'S Diary. I call on you to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned. The fourth website that you can use in your online classes is easywellofenglish.com. Yeah, you heard me right, easywellofenglish.com. This website actually have funny names like I earlier mentioned, but they are filled with lots of online resources that can actually help you in your classroom. Worksheet, videos, games, and vocabularies. There are lots more. All you need to do is to type in this information in any of the web browser, share with your students, and they can gain access to this website and have fun with any of the topic, worksheet, games that are present on this platform. And the very last one is learningchocolate.com. Yeah, Learning Chocolate. Sometimes I describe this website as actually a chocolate because the information there are quite good. The interface is equally nice. There are lots of worksheets and games that you can adapt to your lesson in order to make your classroom fun. Well, there you go. Those are the 5 websites that you can use to add life to your online classes. I hope this helps. And as from today, if you are an educator, I call on you to say goodbye to endless lectures during your online classes. Use these resources to make your lesson fun. Use these resources to keep your students engaged. Use these resources to attract your students each time that you have a class. Use it as a magnet, a pull to make learners want to learn more with you. See you next time. Bye bye.